This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. Thank you for tuning in and please subscribe to my channel. If you have an immigration problem, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help you. Today I want to be talking about some new immigration routes that will come into effect, which will allow people to live and stay in the United Kingdom and they're due to be announced in 2022. Among all the gloom and doom of Priti Patel's rhetoric against asylum seekers, some positive news seems to have been overlooked. Post-Brexit, and with the desire to recruit the brightest and best, the government have announced a number of new routes to living and working in the United Kingdom. According to the government, there should be a number of such routes to living in the UK. This is perhaps not surprising given the number of job shortages that we hear and see about in the news every day. In this video, I'm going to be looking about the much publicised and promoted visa route called the scale-up visa as opposed to the start-up visa, and what the requirements might be. There are a number of other announced routes such as the high potential visa and the elite visa and a review of the innovator visa, and I'll be doing videos on those as well. But let's start with the scale up visa. Plans for a new scale up visa have been hyped in the press as the biggest visa improvement in a generation. So if this is true, this could be great news. Post-Brexit, global Britain is supposed to attract the brightest and best, and perhaps in contrast to what is said in migrants generally, they do play a dynamic and important part in the UK economy. Indeed, the Department of Business, Energy and Industry Strategies UK Innovation Immigration of July 2021 pointed out that 49% of the fastest growing businesses have at least one foreign-born co-owner. In my view, the quicker this visa route is introduced, the better. Announcements are, or hope it will be in spring this year. At present, there are no published rules and practical details are thin on the ground, but working on comments made in the spring 2021 budget, the innovation strategy budget and the 2021 budget, we can guess at what some of the criteria are likely to be. It seems to me that applicants will need to have a highly skilled job from an eligible business. More details on that to follow. Scale-ups will need to apply for a fast-track visa application, will qualify for a fast-track visa route. This is good because it will speed up the process. The salary in the UK will need to be at least $33,000, which highly skilled migrants shouldn't be a problem. Applicants will need to meet the English language test, again no surprise there. The new route will allow successful applicants to work, switch jobs or employers, which again is welcome and a change from Tier 2. There is also the suggestion that scale-up visa holders will have to work for the sponsoring scale-up for at least 6 months and then can work outside the sponsored role, which would be a welcome change to the restrictions that are in place in respect of Tier 2 migrants. Individuals will also be able to extend their visas and apply for settlement, subject to meeting specific requirements. It is even possible, and this is something that I really hope that happens, is that the scale-up visa will provide a quicker route to settlement than a skilled worker visa, say after 3 years. This is a potentially exciting and fast way for skilled workers with a proper job offer who've got something to offer the United Kingdom to apply for a visa, enter and ultimately settle in the UK without waiting a huge period of time. As I say, more details and the introduction of this route is supposed to happen in the spring of this year, 2022, and I will produce a further video on more details when they are published. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe during these dangerous times. It's important to remember the pandemic's not over. And again, if you've got any sort of immigration inquiry or problem, do get in touch with me. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.